There are a few other safety measures to be taken to ensure crane and derrick safety in construction sites. The ground must be firm, dry, and graded to sufficiently support the crane, rigging equipment, and load. Cranes shouldn't be used on any ground that shows sign of utilities being buried underneath. There should also be proper drainage set up so that any rain doesn't compromise the support needed for the equipment. OSHA regulations require that the general contractor improve the site before work can continue. Power lines can cause damage or injury and should be taken seriously when working with cranes and derricks. Prior to planning a hoist where at least 20 feet of distance cannot be maintained between the equipment and lines at all times, it is necessary to request the voltage of the power lines in question. OSHA states that the utility departments have a maximum of 48 hours to respond. Table A should then be used to determine the safe working distance. When lines cannot be de-energized and visibly grounded, and work is performed at a lesser distance than provided in Table A, OSHA's Subpart 1926 Section 1407 requires marking the work area using flags so the operator knows where the safe boundaries are, determining the voltage of the power lines in question using non-conductive materials in the hoisting process, and using elevated warning lines or barricades to guide the operator. And finally, also using a signal person or spotter when the crane operator's view of the worksite is limited or obstructed. In addition to being the lookout, the signal person must also be able to communicate with the operator at all times. Hand signals are used to communicate between the operator and finally, the spotter. Also using a
Hand
signal person should be clearly defined before beginning the job. If there's any confusion during the job, the operator should stop immediately and ask for clarification. The operator should only acknowledge hand signals from the signal person, except for the emergency stop signal, which could be given by anyone.